expects as much of her staff as she would put in of herself, and that's what, you know, we meet on the same line. We stayed during the hurricane.
Oh my God.
Yes, don't know.
She's one of the few people who can get a certain female doctor to dump her coffee. And she politically correctly gets all of us to dump our water glasses. And finally, on a lighter note, there's been a contest lately between the macaroni salads, mine and yours, but hands down yours beat me on it. Uh-oh. I did.
Can I say something? Miss Bobby, you want to say something?
Well, I think we're going to take the opportunity to, I think, echo Dr. Williams and really everyone's really big sentiments that Marion, I've known Marion since 1998 when I started as an AD. And I think within our AD world, she's really seen as a matriarch. I think that we've had many emergencies. It seems that Marion was always the one who called, but was really unfathomable that her I think, atmosphere of calmness, and that nothing riles her, and that she's really supported and built an extraordinary team of care providers to the Canadian population, and so she will be missed greatly. And we wish her well, I think, as she goes on to play with that lovely grandson of hers and involved in all the things as he's grown, so, as well as her other members of her family. But we wish you much happiness.
Rosie.
Oh my word.
I want to introduce you to the person responsible for my
What year? Oh, 1985. I'll never forget Marion when she came in her, of course, beautiful attire with that UT. We have to accept that part. As far as being a student, and she fit in right away with our staff. So I'm so happy that I did hire her. She's definitely been a big part of MD Anderson, and of course we're #1. So we have to say that the 30 years that she's been here, she's been a big part of making us #1. So now, Marion, what we want you to do is now to enjoy the rest of your life.
I have to tell you what she told me though when she hired me. Minnie brought me in. I came as a student because I'd been in another profession, and she said to me, you know, we don't hire students, and we don't hire, new grads, these women. She came out, and then she turned me over to the aides on the floor and said to me, we don't hire new graduates here. I had to learn to make a bed because we didn't have to choose them where you could now support the aides would not pass you. And that was the beginning. My instructor was an Air Force retired postmaster. Was she a colonel? Air Force. She was my instructor. Luke River, who has retired, who was also ex-serving member. And that's who I had to pass.
And believe it or not, she worked the 11-7 shift.
Yes.
That was her shift when she came on.
Yes. And I forgot to thank Minnie. That's where we gave all the people here. And then we forget to mention there was only one RN that had to do that with LVM.
I found some old
Oh, please
pictures.
don't.
But then again, she always looks great. She does. She has this age to be. And this was her shift. you noticed how big her ship was.
Yeah.
She was 11
Just
steps.
like your daughter.
And we went to,
That was her ship.
nice, and here's Laura. No, it's not.
I had one of Laura, but I kept it.
Margie, fat, you see that? Oh, she's eating again. Oh, it's a big
If there's one thing we do, there's